The next speakers are Sanskruti and Seema with JP Bhosle sir.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone. I am Mayuri Raja Bhosle, a dedicated research scholar with keen interest in the finance. It's an honor to be a part of this international conference on the global business and emerging challenges. Yes, thanks. Here in Bangkok. Through my work, it's my aim to contribute valuable insight that bridges academic research with real work from applications. I would like to share with you that I'm presenting the paper for the first time, so I'm hoping the best insights from you for my further progresses. So today's my topic for the presentation is glamour and glow and exploratory study of the beauty parlor industry. This study examines the beauty parlor industry, highlighting the key trends, challenges and the opportunities through in-depth interviews with the 20 Indian beauty parlor owners and the managers. It underscores the role of the customer satisfaction, employees training and technology in success. It also identifies hurdles like intense competition, high turnover and the need for standard regulation. Keywords for this research paper were beauty parlor industry, customer satisfaction, employee training, technological advancement and employees turnover and regulation. Introduction. The beauty parlor industry has grown significantly, driven by rising demand for the beauty and the wellness services. Prominently made up for the small and medium enterprises, many owners managers lack formal business training. Significance of the studies were it provides insight into the beauty parlor industry, highlighting the trends, challenges, opportunities facing this growing sector. These findings of this study can inform policy and practice initiative aimed at supporting the growth development of the beauty parlor industry. This study focuses on the beauty parlor industry in India, examining the trends, challenges, and the opportunities facing this sector. Now, I request my friend Darshana to take the charge for the presentation.
Objectives. The objectives of the study are first, to explore the beauty parlor industry, examining the trend, challenges and opportunities facing this growing sector. Second, to identify the key factors driving the success of the beauty parlor. Third, to examining the challenges facing the beauty parlor industry, included intense competition, high employee turnover and the need of standardized regulation. Hypothesis. The following hypotheses were tested in the study. First, customer satisfaction is a key driver of success in the beauty parlor industry. Second, in employee training and development are critical factors in driving the success of beauty parlor. Third, technology advancement such as online booking system and social media marketing encourage the importance of beauty parlor. Research designing. The study employed in qualitative research design using in-depth interview with 20 beauty parlors and owners and management in India. Now, I request my friend Mayuri to conclude the presentation.
Thank you, Darshana. The findings of this study highlight the importance of the customer satisfaction, employee training and the technological advancement in driving the success of beauty parlor. The study also identifies the challenges such as intense competition, high employee turnover and the need for the standard regulation. This study provides insight into the beauty parlor industry, highlighting the trends, challenges and opportunities facing this growing sector. The finding of this study can inform policy and practice initiative aimed at supporting the growth and development of the parlor industry. This study contributes to the existing literature on the beauty parlor industry, providing insight into the trends, challenges and opportunities facing this growing sector. The finding of this study can inform policy and practice initiative aimed at supporting the growth and development of the beauty parlor industry. Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
Ms. Moiri,
Yes, sir.
you studied beauty parlor satisfaction.
Yes, sir.
So, have you studied both male and female customers?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Who are more satisfied and who are less satisfied?
girls are.
Or all are equally satisfied?
No, females are more satisfied because they get the more services than the men.
Oh, that means males do not get more services.
No.
Yeah.
Injustice. You recommend beauty parlor owners to give more services.
Yes, sir.
The men also.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you, Ms. Mayuri and Darshana.